The criminal activities of NICOLINI law firm continued in 2021. Please feel free to pause and read. It was now NICOLINI law's turn to complete its deception. Ryan Naimark and Courtney Madison, 2019 to 2022. February 21 to March 2021. No communication from NICOLINI law. Okay. April 2021. My claims rejected by NICOLINI law firm. NICOLINI law firm took my cases under false pretense. 2 years later, lawyer had not done anything on my behalf for the 4 cases. Lawyer instead collaborated with bail defense lawyer to ensure that all my evidences were not presented in order for me to lose my cases. As per law, motor vehicle accidents must be presented to the court within 3 months in order to sue. But NICOLINI law only told me that motor vehicle accident claims take 2 years. I was told by NICOLINI law firm that I should not speak with anyone at Aviva Auto Insurance Company. Therefore, the firm would handle everything. In 4 months of the second accident, Aviva Auto Insurance denied my 2 rear-ended motor vehicle accident claims. There were no court convictions for both motor vehicle accidents. 2 years later, NICOLINI law informed that they did not start a statement of claim on my behalf for the motor vehicle accident. Now, tell me, what would you think? Wouldn't you think that my accidents were deliberate? Wouldn't you think that they tried to commit murder? What do you think? No motion filed in the court for the motor vehicle accidents. NICOLINI law did nothing for my motor vehicle accident claims since retained on July 11, 2019 and September 6, 2019. Okay. As you can see here, 2 motor vehicle accidents, okay, rejected by NICOLINI law firm. As I said, it says here, NICOLINI law 2021, with respect to your car accident of July 2nd, 2019 and August 8, 2019, we have not yet filed any documents on your behalf or initiated a claim. As such, there is no need for a formal motion. That's extracted. Can you see that? All right, please feel free to read. NICOLINI law did nothing at all for my motor vehicle accident, okay? NICOLINI law's intention was to ensure that the examinations for discovery, right, and long-term disability scheduled for August 16 would be cancelled. Based off legalline.ca, all right, please feel free to review. Okay, it says automobile accident, time limit for starting a lawsuit or claiming benefits, and it indicated here. Okay, if you wish, it says here, if you wish to sue or other at-fault driver, you first must give written notice of your claim within 120 days of the accident. All right, already went through this in my motor vehicle accident presentation. Okay, please feel free to review. Okay. Has NICOLINI law done? What has NICOLINI law done for me since retained? Nothing. Retained, okay, we'll go through the list. Retained on July 11, 2019 for a motor vehicle accident dated July 2nd, 2019 hit and run motor vehicle accident. Retained on July 26, 2019 for wrongful dismissal and long-term disability. Retained, I'm still in doubt, which I realized in December 2020 that really I was not retained. On September 6, 2019 for motor vehicle accident dated August 8, 2019, 3-car accident, right? Examination for discovery long-term disability scheduled by Benjamin Law for August 16, 2019 was cancelled. Waited for a new date in 2019 for the examination for discovery long-term disability, but no mention of a new date received by NICOLINI law. Received letter dated September 26, 2019 of an examination for discovery wrongful dismissal for May 15, 2020. I had to wait 10 months. Okay. December 2019, my motor vehicle accident claims were denied by Aviva Auto Insurance. I was told by NICOLINI law in July 2019 not to speak with Aviva Auto Insurance. Their firm would act on my behalf. There has been no convictions or court cases for the motor vehicle accidents. NICOLINI law had instructed or made mention of the NICOLINI law had not instructed or made mention of the procedure by law regarding motor vehicle accidents, right? It would have seemed as if these two motor vehicle accidents did not occur. May 15, 2020, the examination for discovery wrongful dismissal was postponed to September 29, 2020. Received email on August 18, 2020 to remind of the upcoming examination for the discovery wrongful dismissal schedule for September 29, 2020. August 20, 2020, NICOLINI law sneaked in for the first time the long-term disability case, right, which would be the same date of September 29, 2020. And this was the cancelled examination for discovery since cancelled on August 16, 2019. Okay, it was over a year later. It was sneaked in. All right, I requested a meeting which was scheduled via Zoom for September 25th, 2020 at 2 p.m. It never happened. September 28, 2020, told by NICOLINI law that a wrongful dismissal claim would not be included since they were not prepared. Also, that they made a mistake. The examination for discovery should have been for long-term disability and not for wrongful dismissal a year later. So remember, the cancelled long-term disability, August 16, 2019, that's what they said over a year later that it should be. And the wrongful dismissal, which would have been examination for discovery, should have been scheduled because all the documents are there. NICOLINI law is saying they are not prepared. Okay, the examination for discovery for September 29, 2020 was cancelled and was told that a date would be set in October 2020 for a mediation. They were forcing a mediation, not met with a lawyer, nothing. I don't know anything about my cases. The lawyer did a lot of stuff, made changes and all that, and were forcing a mediation without having a meeting with me. Okay, I did not hear from NICOLINI law in October 2020 or November 2020 about the mediation. November 30, 2020 was the first time interest was shown in my motor vehicle accidents. 1 year and 4 months later, the call was a waste of my time since they needed details of the accident, which I had provided several times to NICOLINI law firm. Sorry about that. I had lost out on obtaining compensation for both rear-ended accidents because NICOLINI law deliberately choose not to follow the law. The reason why the auto insurance denied my claim, that was the reason why, the auto insurance denied my claim, especially to the medical. There's no medical report on my injuries, basically, all right, for the motor vehicle accidents. No examination, no proof. I inquired about the promised tele meeting. Therefore, a date was set for December 11, 2020. During the tele meeting, first time in 1 year and 5 months, Courtney Madison was underprepared for my questions. I requested to review the affidavit of my claim, which were not in my favor. Based on evidences that NICOLINI law has been deceitful, I decided to cease communication with this law firm. I think you would tell me I should have done so a long time ago, right? Okay. I believe you would have done the same.